Hi there and welcome to my channel. Be sure and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified of videos I'll be putting out every week just like this. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a liquid eyeshadow routine using this pretty pink eyeshadow here. And to start off with, I'm just going to put a little bit of primer on my eyelids just to give the eyeshadow something to hold on to. And then we're going to set that with a little bit of powder. And now I'm going to come in with this liquid eyeshadow. There are a couple of different ways you can do it. You can either apply it with the applicator, which I don't like to do because I feel like you just get a little too much. You could do it with your finger, or you can always come in with the brush and just put a little bit on there, or just put a little on and then blend it with the brush. I'm going to apply it with the brush today above the crease. I'm going to come in with this dark brown . I'm going to get this flat brush and come in with this shimmery here. And I'm going to get a little bit of this pink one and apply that on either side of that light shimmer. We'll come in and get this to highlight the brow area. I'm going to come back and get this lighter brown and go under this bottom lash line. And I'm going to get some of this light shimmer and put it on the inner corner area under the lashes. And I'm going to get this white highlighter and I'm going to finish up with the other eye real quick. I will say what I love about this liquid eyeshadow is that a little bit goes a long way. I barely put any on here and it has covered the entire upper half of the lid, so this stuff will last you forever. I'm also going to add a little bit of this bronze shimmery eyeliner real quick. Alright, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.